Small quantity of water. The problem is almost always due to lack of pressure. The solution is DG-PED, the latest innovative creation of Pedrollo, an all-in-one intelligent pump which guarantees a constant pressure both when the water mains pressure is low and when you open more than one tap. It increases the power only when necessary, saving energy. DG-PED is installed easily and fast. Thanks to its compact size, it can be installed anywhere. Electric plug, switch and protection are included. DG-PED is extremely quiet. It will not disturb you wherever you install it. It is easy to use and ready for use. Just set the required pressure for a truly intuitive management without the need for complex configurations. Pump, expansion vessel and pressure sensor, electronic inverter, non-return valve and flow sensor are compacted into a single product. The adjustable connectors facilitate the hydraulic connections, in particular for installations in reduced spaces. The adjustable rubber feet reduce the vibrations. DG-PED is designed for aspiration from wells thanks to its self-priming capability. To start it is enough to fill the pump. Open the top cap and vent cap and pour the water in. When the water comes out of the vent cap, the DG-PED can be started up. If instead you connect to the water mains, you only need to exclude self-priming. If it were necessary, you can easily increase or lower the pressure of the vessel. You only need to remove a cap to access the valve. If it were necessary to send or receive signals, DG-PED can communicate with external devices through dedicated interface ports. Do you require more power? As well as the 1 kilowatt model, there is also the 1.5 kilowatt model of the same compact size. What is more, you can assemble 2 pumps as a single group of pumps in order to satisfy all the demands. DG-PED guarantees there is a constant pressure. It consumes less energy. It is silent and easy to use. It can be installed everywhere. It is complete and it adapts to different requirements. It is not a new pump. It is the new intelligent household appliance created by Pedrollo in order to supply you with all the water you require. DG-PED by Pedrollo.